Okay, this is a Sonny's vacuum cleaner, 15 horsepower. It's temporarily wired. I took the cover off so you can see it running, and we're going to turn it on. Throw the switch. Turn it on. Sounds noisy, but it sounds good. This is an old rag. Right in. Shut it off. Power it on.
Power on.
Inside here, all the bags are brand new, clean, nice. The bottom, it's got the tub, and here's my rag. The funniest things you find in these tubs. Good unit, 15 horsepower, runs 208, 460, 480.